beautiful people. Welcome to my channel, yours truly, Stassi. My name is Stassi. Thank you for joining me today. So, in today's video, I have 5 affordable home decor items you should be having in your home right now. Starting with number 1, adhesive wall tiles. These are a great affordable alternative for kitchen backsplashes. So if you want to switch up that dingy kitchen stove back wall, you know, maybe even spruce it up, maybe it was just a dull white, and you could just put these on there and make your kitchen look instantly fancy, like the real deal. It's rental friendly because it's self-adhesive, so you don't need like a glue and to like slap it on. It does it itself. I mean, you could if you wanted to spend extra money, but this does the job only for $1. Number 2, picture hanging kit. Yes, I've seen these kits at IKEA for $8, $9. I've seen them at Lowe's and Home Depot for $11, $12. Here, you have them at the Dollar Tree for only $1. Pro tip, please go according to your canvas size or picture frame, because anything that's larger will probably won't work. After all, you are spending $1. Number 3, these are my absolute favorite finds. One is the clear vintage candle holder. It resembles something that I would find at like Baccarat, the Baccarat crystal. So because of that, I love it. It has a really classic look to it. And the second candle holder is avant-garde, very chic, modern sculpture, and it's on trend, so you can't go wrong with both of them. This beautiful candle would pair well with the ceramic candle holder. Number 4, tall soap dish. As you can see, this is what I've done to it. Yes, I've used it for my shaving sticks, multiple shaving sticks, because come on, ladies and gents, we all know we've been in the shower and we realized, unfortunately, that our blade shaving stick is dull, and instead of getting out of the shower all soapy and wet, wetting the floor, guess what? You don't have to do that. You don't have to bother with that. You have it right there in the shower. All you have to do is just boop, that's it, take it out. So I hope that's been helpful. Oh, also, if you find this video helpful, a wonderful way to support me and this channel is to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Okay, we're going to get to the next item, and that is the collapsible storage container. I myself, as you can see, I have them in brown. I love these. They have them in multiple colors. So please be sure to check your local Dollar Tree to see if they currently have your favorite color, or even better, to see if they have the color that matches your home decor. See, I got the brown because it matches my bathroom cabinet. So there you have it, 5 affordable home decor items that you need to have in your home now. Thank you. Bye.